Australia, Sydney. What if you could own a piece of Sydney, Australia's most iconic city, with $50 million in your pocket? Imagine stepping into a world of luxury and exclusivity, with a breathtaking property on the prestigious Wolseley Road in Point Piper, one of the city's most coveted addresses. This is more than just a house, it's a statement. This multi-million-dollar estate offers unparalleled views of Sydney Harbour, with the Opera House and Harbour Bridge framing the horizon like a living masterpiece. The property's location means you're just minutes away from the heart of the city, yet you have the privacy and peace of a world-class retreat. The home itself is a stunning combination of contemporary design and timeless elegance, with soaring ceilings, walls of glass, and vast open-plan living spaces that flow effortlessly from one room to the next. Step outside and you'll be greeted by manicured gardens, a private infinity pool, and outdoor entertainment areas that are perfect for hosting guests or simply enjoying the incredible views. The expansive terraces are ideal for sunset cocktails, while the state-of-the-art kitchen is perfect for crafting gourmet meals with family and friends. With 6 luxurious bedrooms, a home theater, and a private study, there's plenty of space to unwind and enjoy every aspect of life in Sydney. But what truly sets this estate apart is the combination of luxury and location. Sydney's vibrant lifestyle is right at your fingertips, from world-class dining and shopping to breathtaking beaches and cultural experiences. And when you're done exploring, your personal sanctuary awaits. If you could choose one place to experience the very best of Australia, this Sydney estate would be it. Would you take the leap into this luxurious lifestyle?